Let's kickstart your morning with 5 minutes of movement designed to align your spine, activate your core, and set the tone for an energized day. This routine will bring balance and strength to your body, easing stiffness and building stability. No equipment needed, just a mat and your focus. Let's hit the mat and start the day feeling centered and strong. Let's begin by waking up your spine. This stretch is like a gentle alarm clock for your back and neck. This stretch is going to increase spinal flexibility, improve posture, and release built-up tension from sleeping in one position all night. Start on all fours with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your chest and tailbone in cow pose. Exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin and pelvis in cat pose. Move gently, syncing your breath with each transition. This movement is massaging your spine, boosting circulation, and setting the stage for deeper movements. It's a perfect way to ease into your morning. If your knees feel sensitive, place a cushion under them. For a deeper stretch, pause in each position for a few extra seconds. Take one last breath and let's shift onto a side for a stretch that lengthens your body. Next, we'll focus on stretching your sides because starting your day with length and ease feels amazing. Side bends target the most overlooked obliques and intercostal muscles, helping improve flexibility and posture. Lie on your right side with your legs straight and stacked. Extend your left arm overhead, reaching toward the sky. Hold for 30 seconds, letting your left side stretch deeply as you breathe. Switch sides, laying on your left side and reaching your right arm overhead. This stretch opens up the sides of your body, releasing tightness and creating space for better breathing and movement. If laying down feels too intense, perform the stretch seated with one arm overhead and the other supporting you on the floor. Or try placing your stacked leg on the ground and control the bend. Now that we've lengthened the sides, let's activate the legs and hips with a dynamic stretch. Time to power up. This stretch blends strength and flexibility for your entire body. It activates your hamstrings, hips, and shoulders while building core stability and balance. Start in downward dog, lifting your hips high and pressing your heels toward the mat. Inhale as you lift your right leg toward the sky, creating a long line from your fingertips to your toes. Hold for 30 seconds, keeping your hips square and your core engaged. Lower your right leg and repeat on the left side. This stretch is lengthening your legs, stretching your back, and improving balance, all while waking up your core. If lifting your leg feels too challenging, focus on downward dog alone, bending one knee at a time to loosen up your legs. If you want to challenge yourself, try holding the top position a little bit more and try straightening your back leg more to deepen the stretch. Let's bring that strength and balance down to the mat for a core activating stretch. Now we'll engage the core while lengthening the spine. Think of this as your morning dose of stability and strength. Bird dog strengthens the core and lower back, while improving balance and coordination. Start on all fours, extend your right arm forward and your left leg back, forming a straight line from your hand to your foot. Hold for a moment, then bring your elbow and knee together underneath your body. Repeat for 30 seconds, then switch sides. Left arm forward, right leg back. This stretch is activating your core, strengthening your back, and teaching your body control, helping you move with confidence. If balancing feels tricky, focus on extending just your arm or leg until you build strength. Let's finish with a gentle movement to loosen up the wrists and prep you for the day. Finally, we'll give some love to your wrists because they do so much work for you all day long. Rotating your wrists relieves tension, improves mobility, especially if you spend time typing or holding a phone. Extend your arms in front of you and make soft circles with your wrists, moving clockwise for 30 seconds. Reverse the direction for the remaining 30 seconds, letting the movement feel natural and fluid. The stretch eases tension in your wrists and forearms while preparing them for the tasks ahead. If your wrists feel tight, take breaks as needed or make smaller circles. One last deep breath here and you're ready to take on the day. Great work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've energized your spine, activated your core, and set a balanced tone for the day ahead. Showing up is half the battle, and you crushed it. Next time you see that notification for a new routine, just press play. It's that simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and invite your friends to join the journey. Accountability is the secret sauce to consistency. Oh, and don't miss your free gift, a customizable fitness program designed to take your health to the next level. The link's in the description below. Stay strong, stay powerful, and I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.